Hi everyone, in this video discuss types of secondary storage devices. What is secondary storage devices? Number pass magnetic tapes. What is magnetic tapes? In this video discuss types. Magnetic tapes has been used for data storage for over 50 years. Magnetic tape is a sequential access storage device used for data collection, backup, and achieving. It consists of thin tape with a coating of fine magnetic sequential used for recording along or digital data or devices storage. Computer data on magnetic tape is a tape drive. A magnetic tape transfer data a bit slower than hard drive. However, magnetic tape are cheaper and are more durable. These devices are usually used for tracking backup of data. The major drawback of tape is sequential format. Locating a specific record requires recording every record before it is searching for maker that identify predefined partition. Also updating require copying file from the original tape to a blank tape and adding the new data in between while copying tape are used for strong large amount of data. Modern tape can store data up to 5 terabytes. It is used with microcomputer and may from computer for backup and achieve. This is the magnetic types of secondary storage devices. Number second types of secondary storage devices. uh, Magnetic disk. What is magnetic disk? The most common type of secondary storage device is a magnetic disk. These are made of either flexible plastic material or floppy disk. Metal hard disk. Magnetic disks are coated with the magnetic substance. Each surface of the disk is studied and contact ring are called magnetic disk. Magnetic disk access mechanism, floppy disk and zip disk. Floppy disk magnetic storage. These disks are very popular during and 1980 or early to 1990. Portable storage devices. Floppy disks are flexible plastic disks coated with magnetic material on both sides. They are packed inside a plastic jacket for protection. Digital information storage. Floppy disks are uh, small magnetized parts. Floppy disk was 1.44 MB. Floppy disk and different sizes are shown. uh, this magnetic disk. Number second, zip disk. Zip disk is all type of removable storage devices. A zip disk is same what like floppy disk, only the size and capacity of disk are different. Size disk can hold around 100 MB to 250 MB of data. Zip and floppy disk are almost absolute nowadays because other storage media like flash memory, CD, becoming more popular due large storage capacity and low cost. The third type of magnetic disk, hard disk. What is hard disk? Hard disk is a non-volatile random access storage device. A digital data or content rotating platter on motor drive spindle protective data and magnetically read from and written to the by read write head that plot on film of air above the platter hard drive have been the dominant devices of secondary storage of data. General purpose computers since the early 1960s, they have maintained the position because advance in their real recording density have uh, keep pace the requirement for secondary storage. HDD operate of high speed serial interface, serial ATA, SATA, or serial attach SCS, SAS. Secondary storage type, uh, third number device, optical disk. What is optical disk? Optical disk is a plot usually circular disk which encode binary data in the form of binary value 0 or of due to lack of reflection with read and learns value are 1 due to reflection with read on special material aluminum on one of it is flat surface. The encoding pattern follow continuous spiral path covering the entire disk surface and extending from the innermost track to the outmost track. The data is stored on disk with laser or stamping machine and can be accessed the data path laser or stamping with a laser diode and optional disk draw spin speed of 200 rpm up to 4000 rpm or more depending on the drive speed. Disk format is distance to read hard from the center linear tracker read of cluster disk speed. This is the optical disk. The optical disk types: CD compact disk, CD compact disk. What is CD compact disk? This is the types of optical disk. CD compact disk is a plastic circular medium for recording, storing, and playing backup audio, video, and computer data. Compact disk is an optical disk designed to support one of three recording types: read only, CD-ROM recordable, write once CDR, and re-recordable and rewritable CD-RAW or W. CD-RAW, write once typical disk, commonly have or organic recording layer. Rewritable disk typically contain an allow recording layer. CD are used for storing music, video, data, and program. A CD can hold about 700 megabyte of data. A CD drive player is used for reading, recording the data on the CD is shown. The job of CD player is to focus the laser on the track of bump layer and hits the cancer that detect change in light. The second type of optical disk DVD, digital versatile disk. DVD is an optical disk technology with an 4 and 16 gigabyte storage for video, audio, or other information. DVD can be single or double sided and have two layer on each side. DVD is very similar to CD but has larger data storage capacity. It is data storage capacity is about then time more than it has replaced the video tape that were used the past for using movie. DVD writer or player is used read the data stored DVD are compatible with CD, which means they can play CD also. The third number types of uh, the third number type of Blu-ray disc, BD. Blu-ray disc. What is Blu-ray disc? The optical types. Uh, Blu-ray disc is a optical disc format designed to store large amount of data. Blu-ray disc is a successor to DVD. Blu-ray disc drive use blue laser to read and write to the disc rather than the read laser of DVD player. Advantage of over CD and DVD is that it has a storage capacity of 50 GB to 100 GB, 100 GB. It is also faster than CD and DVD. The bumpets of the surface of Blu-ray that represent digital information are smaller and very very decently storage devices for storing movie because they require a lot more storage. Another advantage Blu-ray disc is the better uh, that helping to prevent stretch and mark the degrade performance of Blu-ray disc. Types of secondary storage devices. Port number type chip memory. This is the types of secondary storage devices. Types chip memory. What is chip memory? Chip memory is or micro memory names be selected this a small piece of semi-conducting material, usually silicon. Uh, the circuit called IC, integrated circuit, and embedded on a typical chip contain millions of electronic components. Transistor, flash memory, and memory card are two common types of chip memory. For example, USB memory card, uh, chip memory. This is the uh, secondary storage devices of chip memory.